your thumbnail is either making people click or making them scroll past you as if you don't exist. And the painful truth is, you could have the best video in the world, but if your thumbnail looks like something that was made in 2009, nobody's watching it. Now I know what you are thinking. I am not a designer, or I don't have budget to hire one either. That is exactly why I am making this video, because today I am going to show you the very simple method I figured out using Canva and ChatGPT together that turns a rough, ugly sketch into a thumbnail that actually competes. I used to spend way too long overthinking thumbnail designs, trying to get the colors and fonts right, and even the layouts. It was eating into my production time. Then I started doing this two-step process, and honestly, it cut my thumbnail time in half. No expensive tools, no photo shoots, no graphic design degrees, just Canva and ChatGPT. And the method works perfectly. So guys, let's head straight into it. And don't forget, if you're new on this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button, bell notification as well, to get notified anytime I bring amazing content your way. I remain Anthony Olo. Let's go straight into the full step-by-step tutorials. Let's go. So first thing you need to do is to head over to Canva application on your mobile phone or on your desktop. All right. We'll open Canva, come on the search bar here and type YouTube thumbnail. YouTube thumbnail. Okay. When we get to YouTube thumbnail, it will give us this amazing interface. All right. You click on these are templates already, which you can use. But right here, I am deleting everything here so that I can get a fresh template. Okay. A fresh page. I don't want to use existing thumbnail. All right. I don't want to use existing thumbnail, have everything deleted. So right here, we have a plain page. We'll click on upload. The upload will lead us to our already image on our profile, on our image gallery, or you take already images you have downloaded. So over here, I'll be taking this image here. Upload any image you want to use for the tutorial is very okay. So over here, I will be uploading fresh image here. After uploading, you keep it in corner you deem fit or you want it to be. After uploading image, you go to text. Click on the text and add text box. Here, I want to say, for the tutorial purpose, I want to say free AI tools. Okay. I didn't bother to get a font or size or anything. This is okay. We are done with Canva. What you do next is to save. Download to your image gallery. If you're using desktop, it will save on your pictures. This is downloaded on our image gallery here. So next thing I need to do is to head over to ChatGPT. Open my ChatGPT. This amazing page will pop up. On this, we'll click on the plus sign so that we can upload the image we just downloaded from Canva. Upload the image. The image is here. So the next thing you need to do is to add your prompt. This is where the magic will happen. So I will be using this mic option here and say, hi, ChatGPT, use the YouTube thumbnail I uploaded. I want you to remodify the thumbnail, make it so attractive and amazing. Let it have good and high click rates. Remodify it to be eye-catchy and attract people to watch my video. All right. Give me your best image YouTube design. You can change the picture background, but don't touch the image. You can give me amazing image look, but don't change my face on the image. Give me amazing character on the write-up to attract people to my channel. Thank you. So when giving the voice prompts, the magic will start. Okay, this is what I gave ChatGPT. Use the YouTube thumbnail I uploaded. I want you to remodify the thumbnail, make it so attractive. So all the words I used to give it a prompt just came out. So If you are the type that is finding it difficult to type, or you don't want to type, you can use voice to give your prompts. It is same thing. It works like magic. All right. So we'll give the ChatGPT few minutes to do its magic. It will remodify this. Remember, what we did on Canva was a rough sketch of just my image uploaded and just write up. I didn't give designs. Look at the outcome. This is amazing. This is amazing. This is after and this is before. This is what I gave ChatGPT to remodify for me, and this is the result. So what do? You click on this, click it open, see how it looks. If it's okay by you, you click on this download button to have it download on your device. Look at it, change the background of my image. Free AI tool you need to know. No watermark, no any extra design. It gives it amazing look. So if you see this and it's not something you like, you can actually retry. Okay, you have option to retry if you want to have options. So like I said, download this if it's something you like, or you click on this 3 button here, this 3 button right here, and retry and see another amazing thing. So, but I will always tell you this, save the first one. So when you retry, you will now see both of them and decide what you want. So let me know if you'll be trying this out. You don't need to have a degree in any qualification to achieve this thumbnail. This will attract viewers to your channel. They will watch your videos, and because your thumbnail is amazing and clickable, I am retrying now to get other amazing options. All right, so let's do it together. Remember, I didn't bother myself to type the long prompts. I use voice, so it will even make it easy for you to express yourself, say what you want. Remember, this is what I uploaded. Rough sketch of what I uploaded, and it gave us that first design. And the second one is coming. Oh my God, this is crazy. Free AI tools. So let's save this again. Click on download and have it saved on your mobile device. Remember, this is what I uploaded and you've seen the results. So let me upload the 2 images that is being generated. Okay, this is the second one, upload. So we have the first one and the second one. So let me know on the comment section, which one do you prefer? Which one do you like most among these 2? This is amazing. You don't need to be a graphic designer to design your thumbnail. So problem of thumbnail has been solved on this channel. Let me see your response on the comment section. Let me know if you'll be trying this, and don't forget, of course, to click on the bell notification to get notified anytime I bring amazing content your way. Of course, subscribe to the channel if you find what I do here interesting. Yes, I always bring amazing AI tools that will make life easy for you. Remember, this is what I gave as my rough sketch, and this is the results. Number 2 results. So, and this is eye-catchy. Once you see this, you want to use it immediately. So guys, let me know in the comment section when you will be trying this. Use this new style to create your YouTube thumbnails and watch how your views will increase massively. All right. Remember, I remain Anthony Olo, your best AI plug for problem solving and making money with AI. Don't forget to subscribe to be part of the amazing family. See you on my next video. Cheers.